Sir, it is very important to observe that all the people who are talking big about why there are this many beer bottles in campus, all these people I'm pretty sure are not people who've never touched alcohol in their entire life. They do it in their own homes, and now that the institution, we treat it like a second home, which is why
No, ma'am.
we have complete right if we want to smoke and drink in campus.
I'm
We have
sorry,
the
I'm
right to
sorry,
do
I'm
that.
sorry, I'm sorry. Come again? You are saying you
Yes.
have the right to
Yes,
drink and
yes.
smoke inside the campus.
Yes, we
Who
do.
has given you the right?
I am not supposed to be, no one is supposed to give me my rights. I have those rights for myself.
Why shouldn't there be discipline, something called discipline? Tomorrow a student from school can say that this is my right to smoke inside the school campus. What changes between a school campus and a university campus? That university campus, according to you, is a second home and can be used for smoking and drinking. And should the same logic be applied on school campuses as well?
No, that should not be.
Why? Why this indifference? Why this difference of thought process?
Definitely because they're children. They're not of age. The legal drinking for age is if you're above 18, not 21.
Who is stopping you from drinking, ma'am?